Welcome back, guys. We're just going to jump right into it. The first two shades we're going to put in our crease, and it's the two that I am pointing to. And it's the tan and like the very lighter tan, I don't know. You're just going to put that in your crease, keep it up. It's going to be your transition shade. And then we're going to go back in and pick up this like red, burnt orange. I call it red, but you're going to put that lower than your transition shade. So you're going to aim it on the outer V of your eye as well as in like the lower crease, but don't go above the color that you just laid down. And I tried to keep it in real blending time just to kind of show you guys like how long and how much time you could spend on blending, even though I edited some of it out. But this is the pace that I usually go. We're next going to go in with, you can use your concealer, but I'm using the MAC Painter Pot to cut the crease for this look. And then after that, we're going to dab into our glitter. We're going to be using 3 different shades of glitter. One's like a red, one is more of like a burnt orange or copper, and the other is like a pale pink maybe. The first one you're going to go in is with the dark red, like burnt red color. You're going to spritz some of that Fix Plus or any type of spray that you have just to make the color more enhanced. And you're just going to keep that on the outer half of your eye. And then you're going to go in with that burnt orange or like copper, I would say. And you're also going to spritz your brush again and then put that on the inner corner of your eye. Just pack it on until you get it to your liking. And then you're going to go in with like the pale pink or like silvery shade. I don't even know what that is. But you're going to take that, you're going to spritz your brush again with some Fix Plus and put that in the center of your eye. And then what I do after that is I just take the other brush that we used for the other 2 colors and I just kind of go over the outer lines to blend away any harsh line that might have been made, just to make it blend a little better. And I kind of drag it over that color just because that color was like a little too silvery-ish for me, so I blended it out just a little bit more over top. And then you're going to go back in with those 2 transition shades again and just kind of blend out again your crease just to get rid of any harsh lines on the top. And then I take this cream shade and I'm just going to put that on my eyebrow bone so we have a nice transition all over your lid. Okay, and then mascara. Don't mind that band-aid. Okay, we're just going to act like it's not there for the rest of the video. Okay. Then be very careful. I'm multitasking here. Look at me holding my lash and then my eyeliner in the other. I'm just, I can't remember what that's called, but lining my upper lid. Tight lining, I think it's called tight lining. And then I'm going to pop on my other lash. And then the rest of the face, I'm just going to go in with my regular routine. I have a step-by-step clip that you could watch. I mean, not clip, video. I'll have the link below in the description box. But I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced concealer. And then this one is the Makeup Revolution concealer. Put it in all my normal spots, you know the drill. I already have my foundation on to start off this video. And then I'm going to go in with my Tried But True Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm using the shade Light Medium. Just going to put that all over my face. I'm going to set my whole face with that. With my sponge. I use my sponge all over. Then we're going to go in with my Anastasia bronzer and just put that. I'm just bronzing. I'm not really contouring, but I will cut the cheeks again with that Fit Me powder later on. Don't forget that forehead and sure don't forget that neck, girl. You're going to smash that double chin every single day. And then this is that Fit Me powder I was talking about. You're just going to carve it out. And then I'm going in with NARS Madly Blush, oldie but a goodie. I hit pan on it, but I just used the neutral shade for my eye look today. And then we're going to go in with Brighten Up. It's by Essence. It's like $2 or something at Ulta. just to brighten up the under eye area. This is in the shade Banana. And then we're going to go in with this Morphe highlighter. I did mention this and a few other products in my summer makeup favorites, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. You can click on the card. I'll put it at the top of this video to check that out. But highlighter, must have. Don't forget to light up that inner eye corner, girl, because that is the blah-dow. It makes it happen. And then we're going to move on to the lower lash line. We're going to use the transition shade, and then we're going to use the reddish orange shade that you put on your crease and outer V of your eye. And then I just smudge it out. You guys know I'm big on smudging out my lower lash line, because you want to try to get rid of them wrinkles as good as you can, okay? But don't poke yourself in the cornea, okay? That's one thing you don't want to do. And then you go in with your mascara again on your lower lash line. And then I'm not good at, I went completely out of frame. Let's just put that one. I was putting on my, it's MAC Costa Riche eyeliner on my waterline. So I know, I said, please forgive me. But it's on, you see it, it's a little popping right there. And then for lips, I just put on my chapstick, and then I put on MAC The Right Note. It's like a glossy, good neutral shade for every day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn my bell notifications on, and don't forget to comment at the bottom of this video done so you can be featured as a shout out in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.